certain age. Otherwise, if somebody reports you, the police comes and then it's like a charge of negligence.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
fine. So, uh, yesterday you forward the content, right?
Yes, I did actually did the SMS banking module because we've been doing login so repeatedly. So I thought
Yeah.
I'll pick up like something different, you know.
Okay, okay, okay.
Mhm.
I'm checking.
Yeah, because login is like so common now. We keep doing it over and over again.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, but of course, good. You did good, but it should be propagated to like this. We have
Which one did you open the test data?
yeah
Okay,
SMS.
I'm gonna
SMS
open it on my end also. Okay, so what happened here now?
valid and digits. Invalid letters, special characters, 11. Module name, registration. Verify rate limiting in enforced to prevent SMS spamming on services. Okay. So module name is registration.
No, the module name is SMS banking.
Where you mention SMS banking here, SMS banking scenario. For user registration with valid invalid mobile number. Authentication to authentication through balance inquiry valid account return correct balance for registration users. Fund transfer with correct and incorrect data. Mini statement. See, what are these? These are different modules, or in only one particular module?
No, no, no. These are not different modules. These are all features for the SMS messaging.
Okay,
Like all these things go when you do the SMS banking. So these all come under that.
okay.
Because if you go in the app, you're going to see the SMS banking module.
SMS banking module valid. This is scenario you are saying, okay. But you mentioned only ECP, no? Where is BVA? Oh, you mentioned here. Okay, this is a description. Valid mode number format during registration. Mobile number format. Validate mobile number format. See, here also same, here also same. Validate mobile number format during registration. And minimum digits, maximum digits. It's clear according to your perspective. Is it exactly what you did? It is correct. Can you say?
You're checking the test data thing, not the scenario, right?
Yeah, that's data I'm checking.
Yeah, so tell me what's not right here.
See, don't confuse. You आप आपको हिंदी मालूम? Hello, you know
Yeah,
Hindi?
yeah, I do. I understand. Yep.
Don't confuse while you generating a test data. Is it the proper format what you did?
That's what you gave me yesterday. Description, BVA, and ECP. That's exactly the template you gave me. Do you want to go back and check the data you gave me yesterday? These were the three columns. Remember, I asked you to give me a template?
Okay, three
Hmm.
columns.
Yep. So that's exactly what I put in there.
Where I sent? Did I send you?
It was in the when I had asked you while you were doing the class thing.
Right.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
sent me those.
I already sent you, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Just
Hmm.
check it out.
Those were the three columns you had in over there. Remember, I said like I'm just going to copy paste the headings from there.
Okay, those only three columns. I agree about
Yep.
that.
Mm-hmm.
Now, see how the description is. Then what you wrote here.
Yeah, I exactly wrote the same thing. You just wrote it like in the you can say like vertical. I just wrote it in the same line where it says to validate user registration with valid and then invalid mobile numbers. You've just put in like two different lines. I put them in one line. That's the only difference. You see that?
Okay, minimum
Where I
valid.
said valid 10 digits and then invalid is letters, special characters, and 11 digits.
Okay,
Mhm. See, that's what you've done. Valid minimum 6 characters, and then you've given invalid is this. I also wrote the same thing.
you didn't wrote. Is it the same thing what I mentioned in BVA?
Yeah, pretty much. You've written minimum 6 characters, and I also,
Okay, you mentioned six and maximum, but where
yeah,
is that?
because you that was a login thing, but in a SMS messaging, you cannot have 6 characters for the phone. You cannot have 40 characters for the phone. So
Mhm.
I did put in like it has to be between 9 to 10 because
Oh,
that's how the phone numbers go, right?
very good.
Mm-hmm.
Like that,
You
you
see?
have to explain. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
If anybody will ask, you can prepare the design format on a paper and provide an explanation part while the person is taking an interview. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so good. Minimum 9, maximum 10. Valid mobile. So why you mentioned validate mobile number? See, this is a description, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is there in the description? This this
No,
description.
but the thing is, how do I know like what is the alphanumeric numbers for? How would the person know like what exactly are we testing on it?
Based on specifications. I'm you should imagine the name of
Mm-hmm.
this field. So Okay. So mobile number format during registration. Fine. But description should be minimum 9 digits and maximum 10 digits. You provided PVA, right? But here, now SMS banking test, very good. In this, you have to provide, it should allow it alphanumeric, it should allow only numbers, minimum 9
Mhm.
characters, maximum 60 characters,
Mhm.
unique and mandatory. There is no alphanumeric, there is no start with alphabet, but minimum 9 characters, maximum 10 characters, unique mandatory.
Mhm.
Okay, this comes under description. So I will provide you. Okay. Don't go for validate.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. So SMS banking test data. Fine. So there is no alphanumeric. Okay, and there is no start with alphabet. But what we have to get minimum.
Numbers only.
So how the 9 digits will be?
So we are going to write numbers only.
Okay, there is no characters. So this is the requirement, right? Okay. See, the mobile number should be 9 or 10 digits. How it will be according to your format in UK US format? How it will be?
No, it's not just for the US format. It could be in any country. Some countries have 9, some countries have 10. That's why I put in like minimum of 9 digits and maximum of 10 digits. Because
Okay.
you generally have that country code in front of it.
So this is the thing, right? You have to write like this.
Hmm.
ये क्या है ऐसा आ रहा है? Minimum of 9 digits. Okay, fine. Minimum minimum of 9
Now,
digits.
what does unique mean here? How are digits going to
Unique
be unique?
means unique means the number according to the requirement of your mobile. Oh, okay, okay. It is not unique.
Hmm.
Unique.
Unique is when you have alphanumeric combinations and characters in there. But over here, we do not have any combinations.
Okay. But thing is, the number what you are providing to the particular person, yeah. See, Vinder, carefully, Vinder. Yeah, the number what you are giving to the bank, that is unique, no? For each and every account holder, the number is unique, right?
Okay.
You are getting what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, alt enter. Okay, the number, whatever you are assigning to the person, that is should be unique to the particular record. And compulsory we have to give this is a mandatory field. Why? Because if you are going to do any transactions, the
Mm-hmm.
OTP number given to the mobile number only now. That's why it should be mandatory and unique
Mm-hmm.
and the
Okay.
minimum time, maximum time. You're getting what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like that you have to do. Okay, valid 10 digits, invalid, very good. So don't mention like this. Alt enter, alt enter, very good. But alt enter. But be focused like this. Alt enter. Okay, here you're getting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you edit this?
Yeah, I will.
Pin creation in the banking module, pin creation. Okay, where is the application? You have application, live application, or else you imagine and wrote
No, I did open that cyclos.org,
in Cyclosa.
the
Where it
SMS banking.
Cyclos. Okay. Where it is module
If you go on the top mobile banking, they have SMS banking.
mobile, mobile banking.
Mm-hmm.
Where it is,
SMS banking in the mobile banking.
we have to log in first. Huh?
Yep. It's like sign up via SMS.
I'm not saying anything here. You have to say to me. I don't know anything. You have to say to me. Where is SMS? This one?
You go to mobile banking and under the mobile banking, you don't have that actually.
Better?
I don't see that feature on your dashboard. Huh.
Oh, just a minute. I didn't share it. Yeah, I shared only.
Yeah, you did, but I don't see it on your. It says the first one is home. Then actually, you know what? You have a different kind of a this thing. I have different one. I don't have this.
So you don't have these features.
No, you have a dashboard banking. It for me it shows home, features, products, mobile banking, resources, and about us. I don't see this one.
I logged in. This is the main module.
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
see on yours.
Not is it not visible to you?
No, I can see the page, but I don't see that SMS banking on your this thing.
But where you where that feature will be there?
In my this thing, it shows under mobile banking. Do you have mobile banking?
No, it is not there. No, here.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know why I don't see on your this thing.
Mobile banking, mobile app is there here, but it is a text.
Mhm.
It is a text payment method. So how you navigate it?
I don't know. I see this mobile banking right here on my. I'll click a picture. Wait.
Yeah. Okay, okay. You did good only. I'm not discouraging you, but type the description. It should be very clear while you are going to present what's happening here. While you are presenting,
Check your WhatsApp and see that it shows mobile banking. I don't know. I don't see when you're sharing your this thing.
shall I stop sharing? Can you share once again? I will stop sharing. Yeah.
No, it's actually on my laptop. I'm using my phone. I sent to you on your WhatsApp message. Check on your WhatsApp message.
SMS.
Yeah,
SMS.
see?
You clicked this one, huh?
Hmm?
You clicked this one, huh?
Yeah, I did this one. Yep. But that's fine. Even if you don't see it, at least we know how this goes. So you can just imagine and
Yeah, yeah.
check it. Yeah.
That's what I am doing now.
Mhm.
Okay. So description. This is
Mhm.
the minimum 99 digits, maximum
I
10.
cannot, I don't see your screen now.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Minimum 9 digit, maximum 10 digits, and the valid and invalid letters or special characters. It's clear.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Like this, you have to edit all the features, validate pin creation authentication process.
So we are gonna do like 4 to 6 digits for the pin.
Okay, 4 digits and maximum 6 digits. Valid 4 to 6 digits, invalid. Okay, so now you mentioned the description here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so these are all of um, steps
Yeah,
will be
we
there.
are gonna we are actually gonna move the BVA part to description now,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah, we move to BV and ECP.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm going for a next. I'm going for next field. Valid
Mm-hmm.
pin creation and authentication process.
So we are gonna take this off and then write minimum 4 digits, maximum 6 digits.
Mhm. Valid, and you did right only. BVA, it is not disturbed. BVA and SB, but the description is you should change the description. Should
Okay, so
not
what are we gonna write in description for pin creation?
similar these conditions. What are the conditions the client provides? Based on
Mm-hmm.
that, you will generate the BVA and ECP test data. And
Okay.
after that, insert a valid test data, insert a invalid test data,
Mm-hmm.
nor value of it. Okay, you're getting what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Can you edit for all things?
I will.
Huh?
But I just don't understand one thing. If we do not put in like what kind of supposing I put in here minimum 4 digits, maximum 6 digits. Now, how do I know what kind of 4 digits, what data am I using 4 digits for?
That's why you have to write valid test data, invalid test data.
No, that's correct. Like I have to write valid and invalid. But the question is now, like if I put in 4 digits, now what are these 4 digits for? How does the other person know that I'm using 4 digits for the pin?
See,
If you don't mention, like if it's I'm checking it for the pin, how would the other person know that the 4 digits are for the pin?
other person in the sense.
Supposing you created the data thing, and
Mm,
I'm looking at the report. How do I know that these 4 digits are actually meant to check the pin number? Because it's not mentioned anywhere that this is to check the pin creation. How am I supposed to know? How do I know that if supposing you write the next column is minimum one, and then maximum is like it could be any number of thousand, hundred thousands of dollars.
we have to
How do
provide.
I know what does that one represent?
Yeah, that's fine. Data range with the valid should be mentioned here.
No,
And the
I understand. No, I understand that it has to be valid and invalid. But my question is, if you write that it has to be 9 digits, how do
okay,
I know what do these 9 digits represent? It could be anything. How do I know that the 9 digits are meant for phone number? The nine
that
digits could be for the login also. The 9 digits could be for anything. How do I know that these 9 digits has to be used
based on
for?
based on page elements, what we mention in documentation, based on that, the person will give, the superior will
No,
provide.
but the thing, no, no, but the thing is, then I have to go and check third document. Why should I not be able to explain it over here that these 9 digits I'm using, these are actually the phone number? Why don't we use that? That's my question. You get
Right.
my point? Now, see what the description I have given here is validate pin creation, or I could just write pin creation and then I say minimum 4 digits. Now I know these 4 digits are meant to go for the pin. But if we
Mm,
go back to the first column where
mm.
you've written 9 digits, maximum of 10 digits, how do I know like what do these 9 digits represent?
See, the
I don't know that 9 digits are actually meant for the phone number because there's no word mentioned that I'm testing the phone thing.
that's why you have to study the design documents. No, I mentioned
That's
previously.
what I'm saying. If I have to go back to the documents, why cannot I put a word over here so that everything is in one place?
Yeah,
That's
that's
my yeah. Like if
okay.
I put in like the way I put in here pin creation, then I put in minimum 4 digits. I now know that I'm looking at the pin. If I do not have that written over here, now I have to go look for a second document. Okay, what are these 4 digits representing? Why cannot we collaborate everything in one document to make it easier?
See,
That's my question.
very good question. But thing
Mhm.
is, you are not going to prepare the data, no? That will be given to you. As a test engineer, you can get this data. But now I'm asking to prepare this. Why? Because tomorrow you may
Oh,
be go for a senior test engineer, or you may be go
got
for
you.
quality
Okay,
analyst.
okay. So I got you now. So I am not the one who's going to be preparing, but I am doing this so that I have an understanding of test data.
Exactly, exactly.
Got you. Okay, so this
Yeah.
makes it more simpler now. I was confused. I'm like, if I do not know what is this meant for, how am I going to correlate the things?
Okay.
Okay.
See,
Mm-hmm.
at present, as a test engineer, you cannot prepare data, but
Mm-hmm.
at least you can understand what is this,
Yes,
how
yeah.
this is,
Okay.
what
So
is
I
this.
am only I am only gonna prepare the test scenario and the test cases.
That's it, and raise a defect.
Yeah,
Everything
no,
will be
the defect reports come after the testing. I'm talking about pre-testing. So the two documents that I am gonna prepare on my level, it's gonna be the test scenario
mm,
and the test cases. Did I understand that correct now?
exactly, exactly.
Okay, and test data is just for my understanding so
Purpose.
that tomorrow if I read it, I should know what am I looking at.
Exactly.
Okay, got you. Thank you, Shiva.
Yeah, you're getting no.
Yes. So I do not really have to worry much about test data. I should just have an understanding as to what we are doing here.
That's it.
Okay.
But if you tomorrow you maybe become a senior
Mm-hmm.
trainer,
Yeah.
then no need to go hurry burry go here and there and learn and
Yeah.
again come to here and prepare this.
Yes. Now I know that.
If
Okay.
you know, if you are going to provide in
Mm-hmm.
what we say, if you are going to analyze the tasks here only, then it is an added advantage for you now.
Mm-hmm. Got you.
Yeah, got it clear?
Yep, yep. Now I understood this one also. Like the things that I have put up in BVA, I actually need to move that to the description. And um
BVA and UCP prepare. And valid
yeah.
and invalid data should be mentioned.
Mm-hmm.
Why I left here? Because someone will provide it. Otherwise, if will not provide it,
Mm-hmm.
actually definitely they will provide. For your sample case, insert some
Mm-hmm.
data here, valid and invalid, according to
Got you.
BVA and UCP, depend upon
Mm-hmm.
description. And don't forget to keep serial number and the element name.
Okay.
Okay,
Can you please share that template that you just showed me in WhatsApp, the group?
which
Just the
one?
template. This one, the one that you were just showing me. No, go back to the other screen,
This
please.
one,
Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one.
already sent yesterday itself only. No,
No, this wasn't there.
no, it is there. Check it out.
No,
Registration.
I did actually. No, I did check it.
Okay, it is not there. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, it is there. Yeah, I'm sorry. It is there.
It is there, huh?
Yeah, it is there. It is there. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, no issues, no issues. Okay, you're getting young. When there. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Actually, I was checking that, and once you go out of the screen, then you cannot hear me. Actually, what happened is when I forwarded the files, I think I forwarded the same file twice. That's why I missed it.
Okay, okay, okay. Check
Yeah,
it out.
instead of forwarding two. Okay, now how about the test scenario thing?
Yeah, nice. Scenario is nice. Module name and the scenario. Very good. Authentication to validate pin setup authentication through SMS. Very good. Balance inquiry, fund transfer.
Is actually, yep, Shiva. It is
This
clear.
in the sheet the sheet also you mentioned.
What was the last sentence?
Right?
What did you say the last sentence?
Sheet in the sheet you also you have to mention in the sheet. This is a sheet and
Yes,
this is a workbook. This is a work total
yes.
file. In the file
Mm-hmm.
we have to mention the sheet. So no
Okay,
need to go for separate sheets. All together should be mentioned for specific module in a particular workbook by preparing different sheets. That's it.
okay.
Now this is a scenario. And next we have test cases.
Yep.
Now, how to write the test cases?
We are going to give the details for each step for the test that we are going to perform.
Mhm. see here.
Yeah, so we are going to tell everything like the prerequisites, the environment we are working on, what is
Mm,
the expected result, what is the
mm,
actual result.
very good.
Um, yeah, so we are going to mention all those details.
Mention. Okay. Expected result, actual result,
Mhm,
and test result.
mhm. What's the last one? Yeah,
Test,
test result if it's pass or
pass
fail,
or
right?
fail. Pass or fail. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You can prepare this.
Yes, I can do that.
You do. Then only I can understand. You can get a. You can build up your confidence.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, obviously that's how I get to know like where am I doing it wrong. And then even the definitions, they just keep coming back to your mind. I don't have to kind of like learn them. Now it's like I'm understanding them.
Okay. So LG
So
login
let me just
UI.
make sure we have a test case. You know what, your screen. Yeah. Can you just like scroll it back? I cannot see the section A. I could see from B. What does A show? Can you just move it?
This one you're asking.
Yeah, can you move it a little so that I can take a screenshot? Because I cannot read what's written on the top. I cannot read the A one. I see only from B through G.
Even here only no. Yeah, check it out. A1 is test case ID or name.
Okay.
You're not getting it. It is not appeared. Huh?
Yeah,
Now,
it doesn't show. No.
now also not getting. Huh?
No, but I think you shared this one also, the template, right? Maybe I'll download from there. Let
Okay.
me check. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
See functional negative and positive. This guided search contact functional positive. Check it out. If there's any mistakes, please provide edit this and show me. I will check it out. Okay. Yeah. Even the prepare test data, test scenario, and coming to the test case. Based on the scenario you will mention.
No, for
Okay.
the which feature?
For registration page. This one only, no?
Okay.
Login
Okay.
module. Login module. Not for registration, for login module.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The login form, case description, forget password, provides password reset option, dashboard navigation, profile update, logout, username, password, search contact. What he mean? See, he he provided all the clumsy manner. Now what I'm saying, for the login build, we have to provide the functionality of login build. So in the case, the first step is you have to TS01. UI
Mm-hmm.
means, just to type the UI means usable
User
case,
interface.
user interface. Very good. Test case description. Prerequisite. Step 1. Allows the user, this is not correct. In UI, it doesn't come under allows user to
Yeah,
log.
this is a functionality test, not the UI.
Very good. What it should be? Now tell me what it will be.
We have to actually check the login button if it's working or if it's disabled. Then it's going to be UI.
Very good. To check the font size, font to type, font alignment. Okay. Then background color, foreground color hmm,
Mm.
of the particular page.
For the login button. Because we are checking the login form. That's what it's written here.
Login build. For login build.
Mm-hmm.
Login button is one object in a particular page.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas instead of login button, you are checking UI part total build. That should be
Mm-hmm.
edited. Okay.
Okay.
He provided all the mistakes. I didn't see these, but edit according to your thought. Tomorrow I will check
Mm-hmm.
it out. Okay.
Okay.
In
Okay.
the
Can you share this one, the
yeah,
whole thing, so that I can edit it?
I think I already shared.
Yeah. And give me 1 second to check.
Yeah, it is there. Test cases cycles. Are you checking?
Okay, I got it. Thank you. So I have
Yeah.
to edit this one. Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow be prepared about test scenario, clearly the test data, and then test case.
For the
In the
login for Cyclos, right?
yeah, dashboard to
Mm-hmm.
login. That's it. Otherwise, only for login, go for only
Mm-hmm.
for login. In this,
Okay.
see, don't confuse. This total options will come under one builder. That is test scenario.
Mm-hmm.
Home information maybe comes under one module. Help, no, only in the main module only you can get home, help, and for registration we have separate module.
Okay.
Okay. For
Okay.
your password also separate module. Okay. For this
Mm-hmm.
you have to prepare the test data. Everything should be in sequence. Don't forget.
Okay.
User
So just the login, right?
user password. The case is validate the possible conditions to be tested by inserting the credentials. That is the
Mm-hmm.
case. First step is insert valid user ID, valid password, click on submit. First step. Second step, insert invalid user ID, valid password, click on submit. Second step. Third step, insert invalid user ID, invalid password, click on submit. That's the
Mm-hmm.
fourth step. Okay, four options will come. So in the test case is nothing but validate the functionality of valid validate the functionality of login build with the credentials. With the credentials, don't say valid. In the step, you can get a test valid credential, test step two invalid credential. Say forward the test scenario. No, did you remember when I was in during testing of the functionality? I forward this actually. See, for Gmail to validate the
Mm-hmm.
function of login build. Validate the function of login build. Don't confuse. This is the
Mm-hmm.
scenario. Valid credentials login build for only one step. Okay, enter invalid credentials. These are the three steps. This is a case, this is a case, but these are the three steps according to the condition. And this
Mm-hmm.
is the case. This is the case. No credentials or blank details and click on submit. Okay. And expect behavior, please enter valid username as well as password. Okay. These are the steps. I already mentioned you. Check it out.
Mm-hmm.
Case 4. Click on forget password link. See, valid functionality of a login build is one scenario. That to click on forget password link, one case. For case, you can get one step. Okay, then to click
Mm-hmm.
register button is also case. In that you can get number of steps. Registration button means you have to click on register button and insert valid. You create, if you want to create a user ID password and mention all the values, possible values, whatever it is there in the login build of this registration. Register here. See, name, login,
Mm-hmm.
email, website, gender, business type, mobile number, landline number. Then click on next. Okay. After that, you
Mm-hmm.
can create successfully. Expected behavior means it should create the account successfully. Actual result is it is creating as per expected behavior. Hence, test is passed, otherwise, test is failed. This is
Mm-hmm.
simple content. Whatever you have to know, that should be known with respect to simple content. So, address line 1, zip code, state, city, country, visibility, as well as a map. So, this is a specific module that comes under registration module. For this only login build, we have user ID, password, submit, and
Mm-hmm.
this comes under one specific module. This is home button, help, register, then log in the register again you go for another build. Okay,
So I'm doing just the login, right?
only login. First to do
Mm-hmm.
login, then after remaining we will check it out.
Okay.
Okay, no?
Yep.
Okay, we continue
Yeah.
to. Okay,
Yeah. And please, I'll send you a reminder message for tomorrow early morning.
yes, yeah, early morning.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, at what time?
Um,
Highest.
you're 7:30. I'll send you the message.
Okay, before 6 o'clock, send me.
Okay.
6 evening IST.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you then. Have a
Okay.
nice day.
Okay. Thank you. You too. Bye.
Thank you.